friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing and testing the MI outdoor Bluetooth speaker, a 30 watt powerhouse with IP67 waterproofing and a 12-hour battery life. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First, let's take a quick look at the box. Here it highlights the 30 watt output, true wireless stereo support, 12-hour playtime, and IP67 waterproof rating. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Right, we have got a USB Type A to C charging cable, the speaker itself, and a user manual. Now let's remove the Type C charging cable. The length is pretty generous. Now let's remove the protective plastic from the speaker, and here is closer look at the design. Let's turn on this device. It's connected now. Let's play.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Angels sent from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my heels up. When I was a river dry, you came to let it paint the sky, all because of you.
Let's test this speaker at outdoor.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
If you are looking for a speaker under rupees 3500, then you can go for this, as it has a Punchy Bass, excellent sound quality, and rugged IP67 durability.